What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with another update on Kadena. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so Kadena is currently trading at a price point of just over 90 cents. Their market cap is 247 million, which ranks 244th among all cryptocurrencies. So I will say, Kadena is falling down the rankings. 244th is not amazing. There are a lot of projects who have passed them. And then their circulating supply is 273 million out of a total supply of 1 billion. Now, if you are someone who is looking to buy the dip on Kadena, I recommend using Binance or KuCoin. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But we'll hop straight into the Kadena news. So this is their X account. And I'll start off by showing you guys a little bit of this clip 20 hours ago. Beyond the Block, episode 4 rewind. In order for AI to work, you need the right type of infrastructure. And that's where the DePin narrative comes in.
There's a lot of conversation around NVIDIA and OpenAI and just everything that's happening on that front. Well, there are a lot of folks that are trying to front run that narrative in crypto, and they're looking at decentralized AI. And there's a few reasons why they're doing that. One is because the government wants to be able to regulate AI. And whether you're pro-regulation or anti, there's going to be people that are on both sides of that front. The second reason is that many believe that with AI, you tend to minimize job opportunities because you can do a lot more. And with decentralized AI, you essentially create an economy. And so those that are pro-decentralized AI believe that it's the better option for that reason.
Now, as I said, I won't show you guys the whole clip, but they do have the entire episode here as well if you guys are interested in watching it. And then on May 3rd, Module 4 of Zero to Pact is now available on Kadena Academy. Module 4 covers modules, interfaces, capabilities, and guards. And then on May 1st, big news from Krank, it is now listed on EchoDAO's DEX. And as I'm sure most of you guys know watching this Kadena video, Krank is built on Kadena. So it's good to see their ecosystem is thriving. But in general, they haven't really posted a whole lot of super important information since my last video. So this is Watcher Guru's X account, and they just posted on May 3rd, Grayscale records first Bitcoin ETF inflow of 63 million since launch. And those are some big time numbers, so this is definitely bullish for crypto. And something else that is bullish is what they posted on May 3rd. Hong Kong-based asset managers report buying $112 million worth of US-based spot Bitcoin ETFs. And as I'm sure you guys know at this point, Blackrock's Bitcoin spot ETF is the fastest growing ETF in history. So it is really not surprising that they're buying some of the US-based spot ETFs. And then $4.8 trillion asset manager Fidelity says pension funds are exploring Bitcoin and crypto. So after the last 3 articles I've read, I really don't understand how anyone out there cannot be bullish on crypto. We truly are growing at a rapid pace. And then lastly, US PayPal users can now purchase the following cryptocurrencies through MoonPay: Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. Now, I understand that most serious crypto investors are probably not using PayPal. However, this is still very good for overall crypto adoption, as I personally know a friend who does dabble in crypto through PayPal. But while we're on X, you guys should follow my account, at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, so there's some information you guys probably aren't going to want to miss out on. And then I do also want to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And a lot of the cryptos that we trade in here are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. A lot of you guys out there are absolutely thrilled with making 20% on Caspa in a week or a month. We make gains like that all the time. For example, we just made 23% in 6 minutes, 106% in 2 days, 66% in 4 hours, 24% in 30 minutes, 129% in 1 day, 279% in 3 hours. But the gains just go on and on. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I'd love to have you guys in here. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Kadena on the daily time frame. Now, the first thing I'm seeing right now is that we are currently retesting the 21-day moving average. This is a very important level to get back above. By the time you guys are watching this video, you'll probably already know whether or not we did get back above it. But if we do end up getting above it, we'll first need to retest the 200-day moving average, which is another very important level. And this is the level that a lot of projects get rejected off of. And it's currently sitting just over $1. Now, if we do end up seeing a rejection, I wouldn't be surprised if we fall all the way back down to about 78 cents or even potentially 73 cents, which would not be good for the overall outlook of Kadena. Kadena. As I showed you at the beginning of the video, Kadena is getting passed by a lot of projects. Now, the other thing that's worrying me a little bit is you could actually argue that Kadena is forming a bear flag, and bear flags break down 68% of the time. And this would actually have a measured move all the way down here to about 31 cents, which truly could be catastrophic for Kadena. We do not want to see this breakdown, but I'm not doing my job if I don't show you guys all of the indicators, bullish or bearish. So in general, Kadena has some very important levels to get back above. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And this is Bitcoin on the 4-hour rather than the daily, because I think this is very important. So the main thing you need to understand right now is that we are sandwiched between a resistance level and a support level, the 200-day and the 21-day. Now, the 200-day moving average is a very important level to get back above, kind of like what I was saying for Kadena. And in Bitcoin's case on the 4-hour, we have not been above it since April 12th. And believe me when I tell you, there are a lot of people out there who trade this level. So if we are trading beneath it, then a lot of people are risk off. And they're not really going to be trading altcoins, so altcoins aren't really going to be flying. However, if we can get back above this level, there's a good chance that altcoins do start flying again. But my concern right now is that the RSI and stochastics are getting very overbought. The ideal option would be for price action to start flagging out a little bit and potentially retest the 21-day. And while that happens, the RSI and stochastics would start to reset. But right now, I don't know as though we have enough juice to get back above the 200-day. I could very easily see a reality where we come up and bearishly retest yet again. But by the time you guys are seeing this video, you'll probably already know what happened. So yeah, there's really not a whole lot to Bitcoin right now. Just understand we are at some very important levels. We need to get back above the 200-day. But as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Kadena will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.